Vámonos.
We're recording now.
Okay.
So, hello there, everyone. Vroom Entertainment back with yet another unboxing. Wonders never cease.
I wonder if you'll ever do anything other than just unboxings.
I might, now that you said that. So.
It was all my idea. You all heard it.
Yep. Okay, first up in the Tow and Go series, we've got a 2002 Chevy Silverado with tow dolly. I'm pretty sure this is new tooling for them. That's the tow dolly in there. If you package blisters kind of in the way of viewing that nice tow trolley, but not bad at all. And then you've got your Chevy Silverado truck there with some nice detailing on it. Hot Rod Customs livery, pretty cool. And then next up we have the Ram Chargers with the Dodge A100 pickup with obviously the enclosed racing trailer there. Not bad at all. And then we've got the Jeep Cherokee XJ with the boat trailer. That's some pretty cool police set there. Pretty cool boat. And then your Jeep Cherokee here up top with the classic red and blue siren on top. So not bad. So that's version A of all three. And then now on to version B of the same set. Right, yes, the Chevy Silverado. Oh yes, this is nice. I think I like the orange one better. Orange or red. And then the tow trailer in black this time. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then the bicycle Schwinn livery on this trailer with the Dodge A100. And custom metallic blue. So that Silverado was definitely orange. Because it said custom gloss orange. So.
Oh, did you say it was red?
It kind of looks red from a certain angle.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
Sure.
Yeah, so then we've got the Cherokee XJ with boat and trailer. This is water rescue. Flame red with gray. Could have fooled me. Definitely looks like brownish orange.
Maybe you're colorblind.
It could be. So there you go. That's version B. So there's version A along with version B of all three. Pretty good set. So there you have it. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, happy hunting.